Hi guys, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a incoming group swap, and this group swap was hosted by Anna's Wonderland, and this is the Circle of Friends journal pages. And if you haven't seen my project share, I'll leave that down below. This was my first attempt at journal pages in general. But I love challenging myself. I think it's a fun way to keep things interesting, especially as a crafter. So let's get started. I sent it five, I received five. So I am so excited because it was a Maggie Holmes theme. And this first one is from Tammy, who's Hello Tammy 911. And I'll leave links to all of these talented ladies down below. It is such a wonderful way to get a little bit of something from all of these wonderful, talented crafters. Oh my god, how fun is this? I'm just gonna put this shred back in, and I love this little bag topper. So cute. So this is Tammy's little journal page, and I'm really excited to put it together. I've never had anything like this before, so I think it's such a unique way. I'm not sure what's the front or the back, but I'm gonna go by the bow, since the bow is just placed like this adorable. Look how cute that is. And your shaker windows. I really wish I was this creative. My brain, when I put mines together, was, I don't know, really hard to actually conceptualize how to make something or invent a, like, such a, I don't know, unique pattern like this. So this is so much inspiration for me. I love the little peekaboo windows, and this bow is absolutely darling. And of course you used Garden Party, which is definitely one of my favorite collections. I'm just going to open this up. Okay, so this is such a fun little contraption. I'm sorry, I don't know like the terminology behind this, but she created a fun tuck spot behind this bunny, which she made herself. That is so cute. Little clusters over here. Some Garden Party cut aparts, which is always appreciated. And this little, oh, that's so cute. Okay, so we have this little postcard. It says grow, really pretty. And then more little ephemera pieces. And I love the little stitch details that you put over here. You got some tags here, really pretty. And okay, that is not a tuck. I'm like, everything's a tuck. This little pocket here, which you stitched in gold. Just open that up. And nothing inside, but a fun little tuck spot. Ooh, I love what you did here. Oh, okay, this is not a tuck, but I see this is to house all of this gorgeousness. Oh, wow. Okay, thank you so much, Tammy. This is so much fun. I'm like learning a lot and getting kind of like inspired by your creation. So love this little cute little clip, which is really nice and sturdy. Stick that back in here. Oh, this is cute. She did a little half moon kind of decoration. Is this part of this? I'm not sure. Is this part of this? Or is it a tuck? I'm not sure, but I will put all of that together. If that's an option for me to like decorate, I'm so ready for the challenge. And then, oh, how fun is this? You gave us a little mini envelope, right? Or what? A loaded pocket. Sorry. Again, I've done only one of these ever in my life, so I'm sorry if the word escaped me. But this little ribbon tassel, so cute. I love it. And then you have all of this decorations here. I love the little felty hearts, the chipboard decorations, and then you included some goodies for us. Thank you so much, Tammy. I love this. Such a fun little unique way to send goodies. Thank you so much. And up next, ooh, we got a little Market Square number. And oh, this is from Michelle. Fun fact, I did a unicorn swap many moons ago with Michelle. So it was really nice to receive something from her again. And I wonder if this is that new Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure what it's called, but I've seen people haul this. Kind of loving it, you guys. I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in moons. When you don't have a lot of mojo, you tend to not shop either. It's such a weird dynamic. Or I don't know. So I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in a while, so I might have to try to jumpstart this mojo of mine. Anyways, little tag here with the little porker. Oh, so cute. I don't actually own this collection. It's probably one of the collections I did pass on. I did get the new round trip one though. I wasn't gonna get it, and then I don't know. I saw it, and then I was like, oh, I could pick up some pieces of it. But oh my God, Michelle, this is so beautiful. I can already tell. Get all these crinkly bits out. Oh my goodness, how cute. Okay, that I don't know where it belongs. And she added some fun sequins in the bag. I know Michelle's work is always so good. And I'm just going to stick that back in there. Sorry. Take that crinkly bit. Oh, look how pretty this is, you guys. So this looks like it, okay, popped out. But look how cute this is. It's like a little bakery, and she had a little puffy to give it a little dimension. Love that. And, ooh, I love this. So fun. Oh. And some sequins just shook out. I love this. Actually, I'm getting a little soft to this collection. I'm not going to lie. Probably seeing it in person. And I've been loving kind of like that mustard look. So this is a little Aztec bicycle. Thank you for sharing. And her bow, your bow is so stinking cute. I wonder if this is one of those Market Square bows, but nonetheless adorable. I love your little shredding. So cute. And then, oh, how cute. So, oh, love. So she used packaging to give it a little sturdiness and the little scalps on the bottom. That's so smart. I don't know if I would ever do that, but I'm totally going to have to scrap lift that. But she did a little clustering, added this beautiful, stunning horse. She's got flowers in her hair, and she's like living her best life. So I love the little layering of flowers. So pretty. And this thing, if you shake it out, there's sequins surprise everywhere. But I want to show you, look at the shredding that she did. I love that. It, like, even though I'm not really into vintage as much, I think these kind of little accents really make it fun. I don't know if you would consider this vintage, but I love it. I love that like messy shreddy look. So if you open this up, okay, here's a little tuck spot. Sorry, there's like sequins stuck everywhere, and I want to save, which, by the way, Michelle, you matched the sequence mix, even though little that it is, that you matched it perfectly to the collection, I have to say. It really does. It is very cohesive. I love this lime green pink background. Oh, so cute. And then, oh, this is a little belly band. So I'm going to push this off. Take this guy off. And it says cute. Look with the little lamb. I think that's what you call it. And the little cluster. So fun. And then this is probably like the Transformer moment. Oh my God, look how fun this is. Genius. Oh my God. See, I wish I was this. Wait, up. I've messed it up. This innovative to come up with something so cool like this. Love this. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up again. So she took pockets or envelopes and she made little pockets for things. She has some tags in here. Oh, I love these decorated tags. Look how pretty these are. Oh my God, I'm getting soft to this collection a little bit. You know what? This is why, like, if you see it in person, it really doesn't do it justice. I've been trying to just be good and, you know, but I don't know, Michelle, getting me soft on here. Look at that little cut apart that you decorated. I love what you did here. And look at this little frame. So cute. So cute. I love this little pocket contraption. Pull out some more little goodies that you include in here. So you gave me some stickers. So yay! I have a little marketplace. These bows are so cute. And then these little tickets that you've decorated. Adorable. Love it, love it, love it, you guys. Okay. Nope. Yeah. Okay. And this is the back side of this. I love what you did with the acetate. I think this is a tuck spot. Yep. So you can like tuck something in here. Love this page. This collection is an absolute darling for fall. But I'm going to have to say Marigold is slightly cuter, but I love what you did. Thank you so much, Michelle. I'm so excited. I can't wait to put like all of these together. And since I got 5, I'm winning already because I have like a really great stash to start with. So let's get to the next one. I'm just going to push this aside. Okay. We've got one from Shelly Baker, and this is her IG Sapbecker. Yep. Okay. And she did another garden party theme, which I love. Another one of my favorite collections. So, love this. Oh, I love this. You created like a little pocket almost. And, oh, wow. So she did some kind of, I don't know, knot to create this little cluster of sequins and seed beads, which I know is a specific technique I don't know the name of, but I love this. And this opens out, and look at your little paper clip with the layered tassel. Absolutely stunning. And then you have this little pocket here. Oh, how cute with the little shaker. I love that. And then we've got a little flip up thing with some tags in here. So cute. Stick that back in. The little hello. And then, oh, and this is all stitched on. Wait. Oh, okay. All right. So we got another little pocket here. But look what you did here. You did some stitching or hand stitching. This has to be hand stitching. Wow. And you punched the word T. I love that. It's so cute. Thank you so much, Shelly. I love it. So adorable. Next up. I have no idea who this is from. But we have another garden party winner. Okay. So I'm going to take this one out. Just move that there. I'm just gonna, oh wow, you gave us so many extras. So the little paper clip of the little die cut. Love that. And some like little tags. Some like little pockets. Shipping tags. I gave some of these too. I love them. And then these are some library cards. Oh my god, I love these. They're so fun. So fun. So thank you for the extras. Let me see who this is from. This is from, I don't know. I will have to go and look back at the group. I try not to watch all the videos because I didn't want any spoilers. But again, this is like a really sturdy, kind of reminds me of a book, you guys. And it has lots of fun little elements. So let's go through the first pocket here. You got a beautiful little cluster over here with some trims and tucked in. Oh, I love this paper so much. I love the use of the pom-pom trims on the side. They really make it so fun. And again, a lot of cut aparts. A lot of fun goodies here with the little paper clip and the seam binding. Love that. And then here, oh, okay, this is a little pop-up. Michelle. Okay, so this is from Michelle Randolph. Okay, who's Shabby Chic Chick. Okay, that was a tongue twister. Shabby Chic Chick. And I'm so excited to have a piece of your work. This little dangle over here, absolutely lovely. And you've added some fun little ephemera pieces, little flip up thing, little pocket with seam bindings. You must have a wonderful array of seam binding collection because I can tell that you have a variety. And then more little tuck spots with fun tags. so fun. You know, this kind of reminds me of a children's book for some reason. The way that it folds out, the colors, it just kind of reminds me of a children's book. The use of the washi tape on the side. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Michelle. It's just kind of fun to have a piece of your work. And then last but not least, I believe this is from Anna because I can tell by this is her work. So I'm going to open this up. And this will be the last of my incoming. It is really nice to receive. Happy mail, you guys. It's been a while. So she has all of these. She's very much about the texture. So I love this fun, kind of like green, rich, super rich green. And she is using the Flourish collection. Mixed with carousel, because that is a carousel paper. Wow. Okay, so we got a little butterfly here. And, oh, this is a flip up. Love that. And then she has a little wire dangle over here. And then, yep, Anna's Wonderland. Memory Decks Obsessed. So fun. I love the little embossed envelope. So then she has some little bits in here. Oh, it's a card. That's fun. Okay. And then, is this an envelope? How do I pull stuff out? Oh, I see. Love this. So this is something like I did. I did like a, I don't know what this is called, but an insert pull-out tag in this vellum pocket. And she stitched it. It took me forever to stitch mine as well because there were so many layers to it. Oh, wait. What did I do here? Oh, there we go. And I call these transformers for a reason because they do all have fun little elements. This is her beautiful tag. Love that. And there's another one in here. So cute with the little bow on top. Just going to tuck that in. And that is it, you guys. That is it for all of these beautiful journal pages that I am so blessed to have received. Again, I'll leave all of the ladies in the group, their information down below. You should definitely go check them up. Obviously, they're all super talented, and I am so happy with the group that I received. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.